Hello guys, my name is teacher Kai and I'm from Improvia. So today I would like to teach you guys some phonetics. So the first phonetic that I'll be teaching you is this one. It's pronounced E. E. You have to open your mouth slightly wide like this. E. And rest your tongue in your mouth. E. It's like you're smiling, right? So now listen again and repeat after me. E. E. Correct. So here's some example of this phonetic and they are C. C. Meat. Meat. Beans. Beans. Ceiling. Ceiling. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and see you guys next time. Bye.